Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Azaan Sami Khan and I'm about to take Mashion songwriting challenge. Wish me luck, here goes. तुमसे खुशी दुनिया में गई, तुमसे खुशी दुनिया में गई. It's never been कि पियानो पे बैठूंगा कुछ गाना आ जाएगा. कभी भी नहीं आया. जब भी कोशिश की आज पहली बार है कि आ रहा है और इस तरह की चीज़ें आ रही हैं तो क्लियरली ये प्रोसेस नहीं है मेरा. But there isn't a specific process. The only thing that is always specific, and that is that for me, melody and composition and lyrics hold the most value. शाम मेरे जीवन तले, शाम मेरे जीवन तले, ओ दीवानगी, 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 ओ दीवानगी. जुल्फां तेरी रास्ते मेरी, किस्मत जो भूल जाए. जुल्फां तेरी छेड़ते ही कभी रास्ता मेरा भूल जाए. किस्मत में तेरे खोए चले, रास्ता मेरा जुल्फ तेरा चले. I'm trying to circle around in those words. Forgive me. This piano that we're sitting at right now, I've composed pretty much every song of mine that is released on this piano, including the album, including everything. If it sounds good over here to me, only then do I take it to the studio. This piano is very sacred to me. I got this when I was, I think, 12 years old, and it's been the same one ever since. And people talk about, oh, you should get another one. It's quite old now. इसके बड़े मसले हैं जब ठंड होती है, नमी होती है, अजीब सी चीज़ें आवाज़ें आना शुरू हो जाती हैं. But I love it. I'm very attached to it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was entertaining for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Mashion. And hope to see you guys soon again.